Hi there everybody, so in today's video I have this key fob that belongs to a Volvo XC60 2012, and I'm just going to show you how to remove and replace the battery in it. So first I'm going to start by removing the key. If we just flick that over to one side and we can take the key out. So we flicked out and remove the key. We can then, if you have a small screwdriver like this one, you can just put it in there and push that little cover out, basically this cover here. We can then open that cover and that's where the battery is now. This battery is a CR2430. You can read that in there as well. In this particular one, the battery is okay. I was just making the video for the purpose of showing how to do it. So you can then put your new battery in and put the cover back on and just press it back in and put the key back in, and that's it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.